So, here's week 3 of my challenge to ride all the Vëlosummer routes.
So this is the Queen stage of Vëlosummer. Velo via Norden C2. Starts in Trois Berges, down to Wilberwilds, and then does this really cool loop over on the west side of the Eislik, over towards Wilts, various Wampaks, and then back to Trois Berges. That's Belgium. This is the border between Belgium and Luxembourg. The corn is Luxembourg. Grass is Belgium.
Then I headed way south for a couple more rides.
So this is the Circuit de Terre Rouge, which is the circuit of the red dirt, the Minette. Very historical area because this is sort of the birthplace of Luxembourg's steel industry. And this is the incredible Veloduct, this really cool bike bridge. This is a bit of a different one because a lot of it's in the cities and towns, and but it's all really well marked, and there's a lot of great bike paths. So this is the family tour on Souden, which is a nice mellow ride that encompasses Dudelange, where I am now, and Bettenborg, and various fields and forest betwixt the two. Very nice route.
Oh yeah, I also got a flat. But no big deal. I was up and running again in no time. So, where are we? Thus far, I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tours. 9 of them. This weekend, it's going to be Sauer Musel Tour. That'll be fun. Sur Olzecht Tour. And possibly Mam Yangli Batikati. I hope to see you out there. Till next time, Addy Chow, Tip Top.